Hello, happy Thursday. We are here, we are live. We took a break and now we are back. Well, today we are going to talk about the reasons to name a trust as a beneficiary of your IRA account. IRA account. Forgot to turn on my lights. Yay. Um, Normally, Curtis and I say never ever, as a general rule, never ever appoint a trust, designate a trust as a beneficiary of your any tax deferred account, be it IRA or 401k. However, there are always exceptions to the rules, right? So, and there are, today we wanted to point out some cases, 6, when it does make sense to designate a trust as a beneficiary of your tax deferred account or IRA account in particular. Well, first, when we might be dealing with minor beneficiaries. When they inherit your account, the minor beneficiaries may not be able to control it or make any financial decisions. Yes, you can set up a uniform trust for minors account or uniform gift to minors account, but not all IRA custodians allow for that. And then when the minor person reaches the age of majority, these accounts become very difficult to control and manage. So in this case, it will make sense to appoint a trust as a beneficiary of your IRA, where these minor beneficiaries will be the beneficiaries of the trust. The second case would be when you have special needs beneficiaries, the same thing. Person with special needs may or may not be able to make good financial decisions, right? So when you create a very carefully designed special needs trust which complies with the Secure Act and Secure 2.0 Act, you still will have the opportunity to stretch that IRA over the lifetime of the beneficiary, not just the 10 years. So that's also helpful use for a trust. When we are dealing with some substance abuse issues, that's another tricky situation, because obviously you don't want to support the bad habits of your heirs. Again, a trust can have a set of rules where you specify how the money should be spent and distributed. Vulnerable beneficiaries. We all know that there are a lot of scam artists who are looking for a prey, wealthy heirs, right? Heirs of big accounts. So you can create, if a trust is the beneficiary, again, trust can protect the vulnerable heirs from becoming a victim of a maliciously of a person with malicious intents. Well, we all love our children, well, most of them, right? But or grandchildren, but sometimes we are not so sure about people they marry. And when there are concerns, when you are concerned about future redistribution of your wealth in case of divorce, again, or you just want to protect and make sure that the in-laws don't get their hands on your assets, again, a trust as a beneficiary of your IRA account will make sense. And when you think that you need protection from the creditors. Inherited IRA accounts are not protected from the creditors, where the trust can serve this purpose. It depends on the state where you are. In California, you will be good. So again, This is not a legal advice. This is just, I just wanted to speak to note that sometimes it is okay to appoint a trust, to designate a trust as the beneficiary on your 401k or on your IRA account. However, if you feel that you are dealing with one of these situations, then probably the best, although we at Serenity Wealth Management do help you set up a basic, simple trust, we are not attorneys. So please consult with an attorney and make sure your trust is carefully drafted to comply with the rules, to comply with the tax laws, and to make sure that your beneficiaries are really protected, not only from the bad people, but also from the government. So your money is safe and secure. Well, this is it for now because this is a short presentation today. Please, if you have any questions or concerns, if you need any help in finding an attorney or setting up a trust, reach out. We'll be happy to help. We are here for you to make sure that you don't worry about your money. All right, until the next time, hopefully, we'll see you all soon. Bye bye.